You understand English but can't speak. Bro, you are not alone. Many people are facing the same problem. Hello guys, if you are new here, so my name is Sachin Kumar. I am from Uttar Pradesh and welcome back to my YouTube channel Speak with Sachin. Today in this video I am talking about three biggest problem that English learner made and they understand English. Many people spend a lot of time to learning English, but they are still struggling to speak English confidently. The problem is not that they don't know English, they don't understand, they can't speak. The problem is sometimes they are making mistake on their in their learning process. So hello guys, today in this video I will talk about three biggest problem and how you can avoid them. So let's go ahead. The first problem is waiting for perfect grammar. This is one of the biggest problem of many learners. Many learners think that I will start English when my grammar become perfect. But in reality, grammar becomes perfect through your daily effort, through your practice, not your only thinking, not only planning. Okay, so why are you thinking like this? That I will speak when my grammar become perfect. Why? Even you know that grammar become perfect through your practice, your own practice. So why you are thinking like this? Stop. Stop. Today stop. Don't think like this. You know, grammar become perfect through your practice. So start practice from today, not tomorrow. Start practice from today. And first focus is communication after perfect grammar. First start communication after perfect grammar. So this is one of the biggest problem, waiting for perfect grammar. The second problem is only learning reading but not speaking. This is one of the biggest problem, one of the common biggest problem many learners that mistakes. They are keep learning, they are keep reading but not try to speak. Why? Even you know, until you speak, you will not, you will never become a fluent speaker. Why? I am asking you why. Even you know this is wrong. So why do you do this? Why? Stop. Stop it. Don't focus only learning, only reading. Both, you should both are equal. What suppose one one side you're learning 80%, your focus 80% on learning studying, but another side is speaking. You focus only 20%, 30%, so both are not equal. If you can equal both, so you will definitely become a fluent speaker. I mean, if you focus 10 minutes on learning and reading, so you have also focus on speaking equal. If both are equal, you will become definitely become a fluent speaker. Okay, and these mistakes I have I have also made. I am not a fluent speaker. I am not an intermediate level, but yeah, I am trying my best. I am learning right now. I am not a intermediate level. I am a beginner, but still I am speaking because I have practiced a lot. Even I am still practicing. Okay, so don't do that. Please, I request you guys, don't or focus only learning, only speaking. Focus on speaking, okay? But our mind don't want to speak. I know I can relate, guys, because I have also faced all problem. So don't focus on only learning, only reading, only vocabulary. And one more thing, I have noticed that many people, many learner only learning vocabulary, collect vocabulary, remember vocabulary. They believe pronunciation and confidence improve through collect vocabulary, remember vocabulary. But in reality, this is not true, guys. In reality, don't wait for vocabulary. How many words you know? This is important. Okay, so don't try to learn more vocabulary. First, complete your basic level. Why do you want to go intermediate level, fluent speaker level in one day? Why? Even you know this is a language. It takes a long time. So why do you do like this? This is wrong. In fact, you are also know this is wrong. Why are you guys doing this? Don't stop this today. Okay. And learning, as I told you, that don't focus only learning and reading. Focus speaking also. Okay. Because if both are equal, you can understand, guys. Suppose I am trying to explain you with example. Suppose you are if you are learning. Okay, 1 minute, guys. uh, some women, I was telling you that suppose if you focus only learning, okay, this is learning and studying, and this is for speaking. Suppose you do only speak, only learn and only read, and suppose you give your 80% on learning and reading. Okay, so this is here. Okay, this is here. But if you don't try to speak, so this level down. Okay, and if you focus speaking also more than learning and study, so this level will go here. Okay, here it means you focusing more on speaking than your learning and reading. So try to speaking a lot, learning less, reading less. That is enough. Don't worry. Okay, but don't do that. Don't do anything so that your speaking level down. Okay, so try to both are equal, but try to both are equal, and try to improve your speaking, not only reading and speaking. I hope people you can understand what I was trying to understand you, because I am also a beginner. I am also facing a lot of problem. Okay, so let's go ahead. The third problem is compare with others. Why people? Why? I am asking you, why you are doing like this? Why you are doing like this? Why you compare yourself with other? Why? This is right. This is not wrong. You should compare yourself with others, but not today. But not today. Okay. This I expect that this is right. You should focus. You should compare yourself with others, but not a fluent level, but not Mukesh Ambani, but not Elon Musk. No. First, first focus on your past when you was a 1 month ago. Okay, try to compare yourself with your past. Like I am Sachin. Okay, so I don't want to compare myself with others. I am comparing myself with my past Sachin, who was one month ago. Okay, but now I am here because I never compared with others. I compared with myself. Okay, so don't compare with others. Okay, this is a third biggest problem that English learner makes. They are comparing themselves with others, with a fluent speaker, but with any motivational speaker. Why? I can understand that you are and you understand. Okay, you understand what they are speaking, what they are uh, telling. Okay, but you should not compare yourself with others. You should focus yourself with your past, with your today. Try to improve yourself day by day, every single day. Progress. If you go to my YouTube channel, I wrote my YouTube channel winner that progress every day. It's mean don't stop. Never stop learning, guys. You know, I know also. Everyone know that never learning stop because learning not dying. Okay, so try to improve yourself every single day, no matter what you are struggling. And one more thing, you have noticed that success does not see your hard work. Sorry, I want to tell you another things. Okay, I mean people. Okay, people do not do not see your hard work, do not see your present situation, do not see your problem, your mental problem, your study problem, your reading problem. They don't see anything. They see only your result. Okay, you can relate, guys, what I am trying to understand you. Okay, suppose I am in class 10th. So I am, how many time I spend with my study, no people, nobody see. Okay, but when time comes for result, many people start asking, hey, have you passed or failed? Hey guys, hey Sachin, have you passed? Yeah, fail. Hey Sachin, have you passed? Yeah, fail. Why? You know, guys, I mean, people only see your success, your result. They don't see how many work you do, how many study you do. They don't see that. So yeah, you can example me. I mean, for my example, right now I am alone in my room. In the my room, I am alone in the my room, and I am trying to improving myself. I have nobody who can practice with me in English. So that I have decided that I will record my video on camera every single day and try to speaking any topic, whatever topic come in my mind. I try to speak in English. So today I am doing that what I have decided. So as I told you, give me my, let me my example. I am alone in my room and I am trying to improve myself, but nobody look, nobody see how many work I do, how many study I do, how many learning I do. Nobody see. People see only my communication, people see only my confidence result, I mean result. People see only my result, no matter how many knowledge I have. Suppose someone speaking English very fluent, okay, and then I am there, okay. So I am, I want to uh, say something with someone who is speaking fluent, but I get stuck. So the person starts thinking that I am not able to speak in English, I am not able to understand English. But the problem is not that. The problem is I understand English, I speak English, uh, I create sentence, I create simple word, I have knowledge. But the problem is I can't speak. Why? Because I never practice. This is problem. But I started practice after before 3 months ago. So you have also start from tomorrow. And as I told you, three biggest problem that English learner make. First, waiting for perfect grammar. I am asking you why? Why are you people doing that? This problem, waiting for perfect grammar. Uh, they keep thinking what people will think about my perfect grammar. Why you are caring about others? Why? Nobody become, yeah. I see you again and again, and even in my previous video I have also said you that focus on yourself, not others. Okay, don't focus what people are saying about you behind your back. Don't care, yaar, because people, why you know what is people. No, don't care about that, okay. So first problem is waiting for perfect grammar, and second problem is only learning, not speaking. Why you should focus both learning and speaking. You try to balance, try to both are balanced, okay. And the third problem is compare with others, okay. So these are three biggest problem that English learner make in their English journey, okay. You can see, guys, I am speaking right now, but you can see I make a lot of mistake, but I am still speaking because I know mistake are part of English journey, a part of you can say a part of life. I mean, everyone make mistakes. Nobody become a successful without makes mistake. You know, and I know also. So I hope, guys, this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something new for through me, okay. So please like and subscribe my video, okay guys. See you in the next video.